IKEA is already known for its cost-efficient, useful, and versatile furniture and other household items. But did you know there are many ways to hack IKEA's beds to make them even more magical? There are numerous bed hacks online, but here are some that are sure to stand out and help you create something even more functional out of one of the brand's beds. 1. Fancy tufted headboard. This hack shows you how to easily construct a beautiful fabric tufted headboard that looks super expensive and chic. All you really need is fabric, foam, and some basic supplies like a pegboard and the buttons. 2. Co-sleeping heaven. This brilliant IKEA hack uses 2 beds along with lots of creativity to make space for 7 family members. There is also room for nightstands and small shelves for incidentals like cell phones and water bottles. It's a perfect solution for a co-sleeping family who still enjoys their own space and doesn't want to feel overcrowded. 3. Loft bed playhouse. Adding plywood to an IKEA bed to create a super cool bunk bed hideout not only saves on space, but gives kids their own little clubhouse right inside their bedroom. 4. Malm 4-poster. There's something traditional and lovely about a 4-poster bed. For the most part, they're also expensive. However, when you upcycle an affordable IKEA Malm bed, you'll spend less money, and it's not as difficult as you think it may be. All you'll really need are tools and beams. You can also add a shelf to the headboard of the bed for extra storage if you don't have space for a nightstand. This turns out really pretty. 5. Cabin bed. Once again, a good way to make use of a small space, this hack creates a cabin bed for a child using several IKEA pieces, including a bookcase, a wardrobe, and several chests of drawers. This eliminates the need for a separate dresser, and there's a really cool secret about this bed: there's a tiny little hidden den for kids to escape to. 6. Upscale upholstered bed. You may love the look of an upholstered bed, but not the price tag. Fortunately, IKEA comes to the rescue again with an easy way to modify an existing bed into the fabric bed of your dreams. You'll need the gels bed as the base of this project, along with a list of other supplies. Where most beds only create an upholstered headboard, this bed goes the extra mile. 7. Underbed storage. You use the extra space you're likely not using under your bed. This hack uses IKEA dresser drawers underneath a bed to create a trundle-type situation. It's completely simple and totally brilliant. Simply pull out the drawers when you want to access them. Store off-season clothes, lingerie, or even shoes under the bed and give yourself a host of extra space without taking up square footage in your bedroom. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.